Wow, guys, if you are about to trade NASDAQ in the second half of 2025, you definitely must not miss this video. Let's talk about it. Hi, my name is Tomas, also known as the Mr. Breakout. I'm a breakout trading specialist and an internationally recognized trading author. I've traveled the world trading breakout strategies, and on this channel I will teach you my own way of finding the right trading opportunities and making real money with breakout trading. Okay. E-mini NASDAQ is a super popular market. In 2025, 2024, 2023, a lot of traders trade it, but I keep hearing a lot of complaints from traders all around the world that this particular year has been more difficult, especially in day trading, than ever before. And we keep seeing new equity highs on E-mini NASDAQ all the year along. So how comes that it's more difficult than ever, right? And what should we do in 2025, in the second half of the year, to trade E-mini NASDAQ properly? That's a very good question, so let's explore it together right now. All right, so first of all, let's do some major but crucial observations. If we have a look at, and let's start here, let's start actually percent day chart. If we look at the percent day chart since 2007, we can see that this year, although we do have a strong overall percentage daily change on the upside, it's not as strong as it was, let's say, in 2023. So in 2023, we had a lot of up movements, a lot of new equity highs with NASDAQ. And then the year after, if you remember, especially the beginning, it was quite sideways. It was more challenging than ever. And now we're back to new equity highs in 2025, but it's not so strong or as strong as it was on the basis of daily movement as it was in 2023. So this alone is already telling us, yes, the NASDAQ is making new equity highs this year, but not powerfully, not strongly like it usually does with very, very strong new equity highs. I think way more important table is this one. So this is a standard deviation of E-mini NASDAQ by year, and we can see that this year we have a very high standard deviation. We see the highest standard deviation of the behavior of E-mini NASDAQ ever. And that means that this market has been the entire year quite all over the place, quite volatile. We can see strong movement up, but then equally strong movement down, wiping out our accumulated profits or triggering our stop losses more than ever. Have a look again. Let me see you. So in 2023, let me show you. In 2023, we had a very strong upward average daily movements, while the volatility was quite low. Not the lowest, but it was quite all right. So we had a steady progression of pretty stable bars going up, and it was easy to make money. Then in 2024, we didn't have much of an upward direction. We had just a little bit. That means we had sideways markets or down markets. But again, this combination was in a harmony with quite all right volatility. What we were seeing this year, we're actually seeing not much of a movement as in the years where we saw many new equity highs, but we see very high volatility in terms of standard deviation. So definitely, NASDAQ has been all over the place this year, and although there's still a lot of potential, it's not easy to trade it. So let's see how should we trade it? What should we do in the second half of 2025? I believe there's still a lot of opportunity in E-mini NASDAQ. I believe it's great market. It's not my favorite market, but it's very good market with a lot of opportunities. It's quite volatile market. So how do we trade it in the second half? Now, a quick note. So when I talk how do we trade it, I mean primarily should we focus with breakouts, and then should we focus on pre-market, main session, aftermarket, but most importantly, should we trade it as a day trading strategies, or should we trade it with swing strategies? Very, very important. And by the way, if you like analysis like this, don't forget to subscribe, because that's part of this channel. Every week we do some thorough analysis and we have a look how to trade markets, popular markets, profitably. And now a very quick shout out to our sponsor, Breakout OS. In the new era of AI, everything you know about building trading strategies has changed completely. All the generalist principles no longer work, and that's why Breakout OS is a complete game changer. It is a highly specialized no-code platform built for the AI revolution. It's the choice of true breakout trading professionals, from leading retail traders to hedge funds managers. This will fundamentally transform your workflow and change your trading forever. See the paradigm shift for yourself and sign up for a completely free walkthrough at www.breakoutos.com. So let me go back and let's now go to the breakout suitability analysis, which will tell us pretty correctly where we stand right now with E-mini NASDAQ, with breakout trendiness and breakout stamina. So basically, breakout trendiness tells us the quality of trends, okay? So again, let me explain very quickly. So breakouts, they can have a very good, stable, strong trend, which of course is desired, but it's not so often. Then we have, and that's high quality trend. Then we can have medium quality trend, which is all right. We still can make money, but it can be way more zigzag. There can be much more up and down volatility, but still all right. And then we have low quality, and low quality trend is just the market is all over the place and it's up, down, and there can be a progression, right? Like there can be new equity highs, but still it can be so much zigzag that the trendiness, the breakout trendiness is low quality, and it's definitely very, very difficult to make money. Even if the market makes new equity high, it's really, really difficult. And I suppose that we have a lot of high quality movements. So let's have a look at what we have regarding the breakout trendiness. And we can see, let's first focus on the last 12 months. And what we can see that we actually, on the long side, we should focus probably on the long side, because we already saw that NASDAQ is trending up right now. We actually have pretty good medium quality trendiness in the pre-market. So definitely, and we have unfortunately a lot of low quality trendiness in pre-market. So we can see that the pre-market is scattered with a lot of low quality movements, but we also have some medium quality movements. In main session, we actually can see some high quality movements. That's good for the last 12 months. So medium quality and high quality, way higher percentage than low quality. And then we see really poor quality in aftermarket. So this is telling us that if we would trade main session the last 12 months, there are a lot of medium quality and high quality movements on the upside, but also a lot of low quality as well. So overall we have a mixture, but definitely some potentials. How about the last 3 months? So last 3 months, it's a different story. Okay, so it's a different story. We now have the medium quality is gone, high quality is not so strong anymore, and the low quality, it is quite strong. Okay, so right now the forces have changed a little bit, and we can see we have a lot of medium quality in pre-market, but not much of high quality. And we don't have that much in main session. We do have some high quality, and we have some medium quality in aftermarket. So what is this telling me is that actually the last few months we had a good potentials in pre-market, overlapping with some high quality in main session and going through aftermarket as well. But overall, it's all over the place. It's very hard to pinpoint one particular area and say, hey guys, go and trade just pre-market or go and trade just aftermarket or main market. Because as you can see, it's all over the place. We have a high level of mixture of all quality of trendiness. Sometimes we have low quality, sometimes we have medium, sometimes high quality. We don't have one strong pointer, one strong quality being stable. That explains the standard deviation. So day trading, it's not easy, and we'll get back to it. Let's have a look. Swing trading. Okay, so swing trading is when you hold for more days. Okay, day trading, you hold a couple of hours. You just close your position at the end of the day or after hours. For swing trading, we can hold for a couple of days, and the last 12 months, again, we're a little bit all over the place. We have a mixture of everything: low quality, medium quality, high quality. And we have a little bit, this is not so bad. So last 3 months, this is already a little bit better because we have below average low quality in swing trading, which means that in swing trading, we don't have so many craziness like we have in day trading. We don't have so many up, down. We have a pretty stable medium quality trends, which means it just goes up, reverts a little bit, goes up, and we do not have high quality trend. So to me, it looks like now in swing trading, we have a little bit better edge because we have below average low quality. That's what we want. We want as low of a low quality trades as possible. And usually all we need is this one below average and those two above average. So this is a good configuration. So it looks like there is more trendiness in a swing trading. However, trendiness is just one part of the story. Then we also need stamina. Actually, let me explain stamina now very quickly. So stamina, trendiness is the quality of the trend. Stamina is how long the trend lasts, okay? So why does this matter? Because if the stamina is too short, we need small profit targets. We need to get out of the position much quicker. While when as opposite, when we have high stamina, the trends, they really last, okay? So we can take in a breakout and be in that breakout the days or hours, and it will keep building and building, and we will be able to get out with some good profit. So our profit targets would be probably higher, or we would use longer exits since the entry, like for example, bar since the entry. So let's have a look at let's start with the stamina for the swing trading. And the swing trading stamina, I'm quite curious. I bet it will not be so strong. And actually it's pretty good. It's above average. So stamina, this is a different interpretation. We just have above or below average. And this is actually very good, guys. So we have above average stamina. So that means on daily data or higher time frames, not necessarily daily, but higher time frames, when you will hold for a couple of days, the stamina builds up. You have longer trends, more than on the average, while we have below average stamina on the short trend. That's fantastic. That's telling us that exactly what we want. That's telling us that when there's a breakout on the upside, we do have stamina. It lasts. While breakouts on the short side, they're very short. They last just a couple of days, hours maybe. So that means we have less pullbacks in the upward market, and that's desirable. So that's a very good configuration last 3 months, and we can see the same last 12 months and 6 months. This is good. So my recommendation would be go with swing trades. In the second half, go with swing trades because we have very good stamina on the long side for swing trading. It's way less crazy than the day trading. And we also do have trendiness, although it's not a major trendiness, but there is a trendiness. Definitely better configuration. How about stamina on day trading? Let me have a look. And let's see what happens with the day trading. I'm quite curious. Okay, so with the pre-market, we do have below average long stamina. Nothing to write home about. Below average main session and below average aftermarket. This is, and look, have a look. The downtrend is stronger. So that means, okay, that explains everything just perfectly. So basically what it means that explains the craziness and why a lot of day traders in NASDAQ, they have hard time to maintain their profits. Because basically we have an upward movement, we have short stamina, and then we have much longer stamina on the short movement. Again, let's have a look. Like, see that. So we have a little bit of a up movement, very, very short stamina, and much longer short movement stamina. So it's difficult to make money because you have to get out of the long position very quickly and be ready. There will be a pretty strong contra move, okay? So it's really difficult to day trade, breakout trading in the mini NASDAQ right now. And this situation's been the whole last 12 months. Oh wow, aftermarket. Look at that ratio, like very, very big stamina compared to on the downside compared to the uptrend. And last 6 months as well. It's easing down now. It's good. It's a good sign. So it means that the stamina on downtrend overall seems to be declining, and especially in the aftermarket, probably building a little bit up, but this is very difficult. This is the very difficult market to trade breakout on day trading basis. Okay, so if you do it, you need to be very careful. You need to set small targets. There's low trendiness, there's low stamina, so you just need to go for a small target, $500, maybe $1,000. That's it. Exit and wait for pullback. Well, wait for a strong pullback, because there are strong pullbacks. We see it here, we see the stamina, we see the trendiness. So there will always be a pullback. You have to wait, and then again, when it starts recovering, get in at the beginning of the breakout, get 1,000 or a few $100, get out. This is difficult. This is very advanced market right now for day trading. Whereas in swing trading, wow, that's a different story. The swing trading right now, again, we can get back to it. This swing trading is really good. The swing trading has much longer stamina on the upside compared to downside. So once you're in the position, it will last and it will not kick you off immediately, because the stamina on short side is much shorter, although it increased a little bit lately, but so did the long stamina. And overall, the trendiness in swing trading is much stronger as well. So that's it. That's how you need to trade mini NASDAQ in the second half of 2025. Focus on swing trading. Stay few days. I would probably not trail stop loss. There still are a lot of counter moves. In swing trading, you can set your targets higher, a couple of $1,000 probably. And that's where you should shine. So if you like this episode, please give us a like. Okay. Now we will be covering many more markets. This show is every week. So again, subscribe if you want more like this. And one reminder, don't forget, if you're looking for a proven formula how to trade successfully breakout trades, how to become a successful breakout trader, then you definitely need to download this completely free material on the link below. So again, very important, learn about breakout trading. It's a proven style, this is a proven formula, and it will help you make real money in breakout trading. So that's really it for today, and see you in the next one.